Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Let's step today in my landlord's shop. We will be not filming Camaro, which is getting good work done. We will look on 2011 Prius, 170,000 miles, head gasket job, the standard. As the head gasket job is being done, there was easy look inside of the catalytic converter, and as you can see, there is a new Toyota part. I was told today that is approximately $1,600, $1,600, this replacement part, and I would like to show you why it's being replaced. There are two possibilities. Number one, when these were introduced, they were leaking. This is a coolant lines from the engine coolant, super long life. It's running through it, and it's an extra to make emissions better. Another complication, and they were leaking. I remember when I was still at the dealer. At that moment when it started, it was a new thing. We were replacing it for free. I bet you it's not covered anymore, but don't take my word for it. Always check with the dealer. But this one is here, the old one and new one, for different reason. I will grab my light and you will see immediately why. So let's start with the bad one. And this is why it's being replaced. And I will zoom inside for you. Right now I'm just using that lens a normal way it is. Look at it, look at inside. I will set up the light and zoom inside. Hopefully this will give us look inside. So that's a catalytic converter. That's basically called a honeycomb. These are the very tiny passages where the gases from the engine gases are running through all the way out and behind the vehicle to the muffler. But this is where you are, right behind the engine. There is a small header, and this is where it's mounted. And as they are doing that head gasket, they discover, they look inside and they're like, oh, this is bad. This is falling apart completely, and that will cause sooner or later problems. It will probably start with catalyst inefficiency codes in the ECM in the computer stored, and they will have to come back to it. So this is not mechanically damaged, nobody hit it. This is how it's falling apart on the 2011 170,000 miles on the odometer. By itself, it was not mechanically damaged, and here it is how it looks brand new. That's inside of the new part. You can see again that very fine honeycomb. So I want to show it to you because I don't have a chance very often see that and film it for you. And not only we saw what can happen inside of your exhaust system, we already know what the Toyota charges. The owner told me $1,600 for this entire assembly. Now, when you will remove this one, don't throw it away, because there are two catalytic converters, and that is worth a bunch of money by the people who are running scrap yards and they are buying the catalyst. So this will be interesting when the guy who collects metal here, when he will show up here. I will be interested to see how much he will offer for this entire part. There are two of them, one, two, I will say $200, that's my guess. That's what he will pay for it to take it and get somewhere else for $100. So I hope you find this video helpful or interesting. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned, I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, my friend.